Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a KTM 1290 Adventure S. So if you're looking to go around the globe or literally just the chip shop, what a bike to be doing it on. Give you some specs wise, 2020 20 plate, 3,630 miles it's done. Obviously you can see on there, it's got the fog lights, it's got the big LED lights at the front, 3-box luggage from KTM on this as well. Finished off in the silver and black colour scheme. Yeah, it looks quite menacing actually for a off-road bike. Full colour TFT display. Cruise control on this, different modes, you can adjust the ABS, traction control, yeah. Electronic suspension on this, so you can adjust the damping on there as well. And to boot, a quick shifter. Anyway, all the technology, great looking bike, on-road, off-road, it's a peach. And in order to get it bought, pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.